Alright, we are back at Sugarland Town Square and the Lone Star Garage, and here are the elevators here. And guess who we have today?
What's up?
Who is this?
EMS 318.
Eric Skurniolo. He came all the way to Atlanta, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia to here.
Yep.
Go ahead and call it. Indicator is burned out. Send it up to 6. What do you think of this, Eric?
Let's see. It's really fast.
Go ahead and send it down. That is a musical chime. We're joining with Eric today.
There's Jim.
On one of my all-time favorite elevators here in town. Can we go for another ride on this, and we'll get the other car after that?
Sure. Oh,
Going up?
You going up?
Yeah,
You
we're
come
going
in. Your floor?
4.
Oh, we're elevator photographers. This is a hobby I have.
I thought you were trying to do like some tricks or something.
No, we're just painting a side view of the indicator.
Oh, y'all have a good night.
You too. So what do you have to say about these elevators? These are one of the most over-filmed on my channel that you see there. What do you have to say about this, Eric?
They're nice.
You got your ADA compliant phone. And this time watch the button go out.
First elevator I've actually filmed in Texas, by the way.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna send this up to 6 and we're gonna get the other car. You take this one.
Oh, excuse me.
You're welcome, and here's the view of the parking garage itself. The camera lost the focus for some reason. Alright, go and call the other one. This one was out of service for over the summer for like a long time. And we got it. Alright, let's see how this thing is doing. I haven't been on this thing in ages.
Sounds a little rough.
Runs about the same way, it's not that bad. But the doors are a lot smoother than the other one. Oh my gosh, the one button. Eric, look at this.
I saw.
It's like it's like stuck.
Typical MT.
No, it's just the button just needs to be greased up.
Yeah.
Similar to the other car. But what did you think of the elevators here, considering you're first?
They run nice.
What do you have to say about these elevators that I overfilmed on my channel?
It's overpopulated.
By a lot of my local friends here. So with that said, that'll be it.